In this 3D tutorial, we will be learning about the blood supply of the stomach. The blood supply of the stomach is basically divided into three parts. We will see along the lesser curvature of stomach what is the blood supply, and along the greater curvature of stomach, and then along the fundus of the stomach. First of all, talking about blood supply along the lesser curvature of the stomach, here we have this artery. This artery is the left gastric artery, and this left gastric artery is the branch of celiac trunk. And celiac trunk in turn is the anterior branch of the abdominal aorta. So, abdominal aorta gives anterior branch. That anterior branch is celiac trunk, and this celiac trunk gives this left gastric artery. And along the lesser curvature of the stomach, this left gastric artery is anastomosing with this artery. This artery is the right gastric artery, as it is on the right side. And this right gastric artery is the branch of proper hepatic artery. As we can see, this one is a proper hepatic artery, and this one is a right gastric artery. So right gastric is the branch of proper hepatic artery. So this was all about along the lesser curvature of stomach. Now moving on to the greater curvature of stomach. On the greater curvature of stomach, we have this artery. This artery is a left gastroepiploic artery, as it is on the left side. And this left gastroepiploic artery is the branch of splenic artery. On the posterior aspect, we can see that this tortuous artery is the splenic artery, and this splenic artery give off this branch. That this branch is the left gastroepiploic artery, and this left gastroepiploic artery is anastomosing with the right gastroepiploic artery. This one is the right gastroepiploic artery, and this right gastroepiploic is the branch of gastroduodenal artery. This one is the right gastroepiploic, and this one is the gastroduodenal artery. Now moving on to the fundus of the stomach. On the fundus of stomach, we have 5 to 7 short gastric arteries. These are the 5 to 7 short gastric arteries, which are branches of the splenic arteries. These are the short gastric arteries. They are 5 to 7 in number, and they supply the fundus of the stomach. So this was all about the arterial supply. Now moving on to the venous drainage. When we talk about venous drainage of the stomach, along the lesser curvature of stomach, we have the veins which are corresponding with the arteries. Means along lesser curvature we have right and left gastric veins which are draining into the portal vein, and this portal vein is going into the towards the liver. And along greater curvature we have the right gastroepiploic vein which drain into the superior mesenteric vein, and left gastroepiploic vein and short gastric vein which are draining into the splenic veins. So this was all about the blood supply of the stomach. If you like this video, then kindly share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.